Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. Today, in this tutorial, we are going to do a live practical of cross-site scripting on this website. So let's start the same. First, we need to turn on the intercept of burp suit. So let's turn it on. Let's capture the request, right click and send it to Spider. Let's go to target, sitemap, show only in scope items. Let's check scope included in scope, and over here remove all these. Let's go to sitemap again and spider this host. Now let's select a particular URL. Let's select this URL. Now right click and send it to repeater. Let's first click go and check the response. Okay, now let's select ecosport/2018. Over here, what we need to do, we need to inject our payload in URL encoded format, as this website is not accepting the normal text format. Let's copy this first, start over, paste this payload, encode URL. Now let's copy this. Let's paste it over here. First, let's delete this. Now right click and paste over here. Yeah. Now let's check the response. The response is okay. Now right click and send it to, now show response in browser. Now let's copy and paste our URL. Oh, I forgot to turn off my intercept. Let's turn it off and check. Yeah, voila. As you can see, we have performed XSS. Now let's copy the response again and paste it over here. So XSS is successfully working over here. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching this video.